I've got my shovel with me, so it should be good. I've seen a lot of people doing these talking head videos, so thought I'd give it a go. I'm hoping you can hear my voice okay. Hope it's loud enough. So where am I going? To the top of a hill. So if you go that way, you've got a golf course over there. Harwood Golf Course. Turn you back around. So who am I? My name is Ben Dorning. I'm a banjo player and teacher from the north of England, from a lovely little town called Bolton. And I have a website called banjoadventures.com. And my whole thing is wandering around, going on little walks, little adventures, playing the banjo and teaching anybody who's interested in learning. So one of the very few good things about living in Bolton is you don't have to go very far out of the main town and you're in the countryside, which is a good thing. Well, there's a tree up there behind me, and where that tree is, there's a nice sitting area where I'm going to sit down, open my little suitcase, and we'll see what we've got inside. So yeah, I'm walking along the field on my own, talking to myself. Oh, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you. But that is the way of things, isn't it? That's the future. The internet. Hello. There I am again. Yes. Back to me, back to the money maker. So, if you've ever thought about learning an instrument, guitar, drums, whatever, consider the old 5-string banjo, because it has brought me many, many years of pleasure, and it has brought many people that I know a lot of pleasure also. And with just those 3 chords, you can play thousands of really great banjo songs, and it's not that hard. But if you want to do it and you want to learn, check out my website, banjoadventures.com, and I can teach you. Is that a good angle? Yeah, it'll do for me, won't it? I don't know if my voice is picking up alright. It should be loud enough. So yeah. Ooh, we're getting higher up now. Look at this for a view. Proper view, that, isn't it? Right, I've caught my breath. Whew. Refreshment for later. Oh yeah. No. Covered in mud now. Oh well. So there's the old banjo. Let's get her open, shall we? Love this banjo. Bought it off a fella from Harrogate, eBay. Didn't pay much for it, but sounds really good. Don't know what to say. That's the problem with being an introvert, isn't it? It's like you don't... nothing to say. Nothing. Sorry. I wish I was more talkative, but I'm not. Speak your mind. Yeah. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Speak your mind. Nothing in my mind. It's a blank. Nothing to talk about. Anything good? I mean, the views are nice. I'm gonna whip the camera in and show you the view again. So while I've been sat down playing the banjo, I've just realised there's some Blair Witch stuff going on right here. Because someone tell me what this is. Dangling from the tree. What the hell is that? I'm definitely cursed. I'm not sleeping tonight, whatever that is. What the hell is that? Any ideas? Anybody, any ideas what that is? Because I've just been sat under it for the last half an hour playing banjo music. I think I'm cursed. It's cool though. Somebody's made it. I hope you enjoyed that short video. I know it wasn't very exciting, but it's just me with my banjo walking about. If you'd like more content like this, just obviously be sure to follow us. And yeah, I'll be mooching about with my banjo, playing a few tunes all over North West England. If you like the banjo, give us a thumbs up. Not many people do.